In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your iPhone files from your computer. So I'll be showing you two different methods to go and do this. The first method involves using a USB-C cable from your phone to your computer, and the second method I'm going to show you is completely wireless and you don't need anything. So by far the easiest way to access your iPhone files is just using a wired connection. So if you have a USB-C cable, you can basically plug one end of this into your phone and the other end can go into your computer or your Mac. Now I'll be showing you this on a Windows computer, but you can also do this on a Mac computer as well. The steps are somewhat similar. So from your computer, you just need to go and open up one of your folders. I'm going to click on this PC, and on the left hand side of this folder, you should see your Apple iPhone. Now if you don't see this, you may need to go and allow access on either your iPhone or your computer. So if you get any kind of pop-ups on your computer asking you to allow access, make sure to click allow, and you also need to do the same on your phone as well. So I'm just going to unlock my iPhone here, and with your iPhone unlocked, you see we get this message: allow this device to access photos and videos. Make sure to press allow. Now you'll also need to enter the passcode to your iPhone to go and confirm these changes. And now once you've done that, if you head back over to your Windows folder, you can click on Apple iPhone, click on internal storage, and here are all of the different folders containing the files on your iPhone. And as you can see, these contain all of my images and videos and that kind of thing. So that's basically the first method you can go and access your files from your iPhone. The second method is we can just go and open up an internet browser. You can head over to the website iCloud.com, scroll down and click on sign in, and now go and sign in with your Apple account. So this will be the same account that you're signed into on your iPhone, and you may get a security message on your iPhone that you need to go and confirm to sign in. And once you're in this account, you can see we have access to all of our photos and videos. You also have access to all of your different apps, like your notes, for example. And we can basically go and download any of these files to our computer. So if I click on photos, for example, to go and download any of these images, I can simply select the image like so. And then I can press this download button in the top right hand side. And you see that will now download over to my computer. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.